Right everyone, Ace here from Team RCC on this absolutely freezing cold Monday morning. It's about 3 or 4 degrees, something like that. Lovely daylight, but bitter, not for me shooting. We're going to test the Nick Hegarty Green Raven. This is a raven that I named. He asked me to name it, but it's not really nothing special. It's just a couple of different tweaks, different dimensions and whatnot. We'll give it a go. We're also shooting his new small ammo pouch. I think we'll zoom in a little bit so you can see the target. Now, if I'm honest, I haven't really been shooting too well this last couple of days because it's been cold and I don't like the drop. I have been getting drop with this frame and the Spanish one, which I would. I'll shoot the same band sets, but see how we get on this morning. That seems alright. There is a bit of drop there. Now, this frame, the dimensions for it is different than the other ones he does in his range. It's 80mm wide, so if you like a narrower frame, this one's for you. It also has slightly shallower bang grooves, which I prefer, and no tube holes, which they were irrelevant for me, I didn't need them. Also, the tips are 27mm wide. Why have 27mm tips when you shoot 17.5 bands? Because it allows for adjustment. Now, I'm getting dropped with this band set today, and it's going to get cold here in the UK. It's going to get colder and colder. So from now on, the next band set I'll put on rather than to the outer tips, to the inner of the tips. So I'm reducing my overall width on the band, but I'm maintaining the same reference point. That should work for me. It saves aiming higher or lower at the 10 metres. So yeah, just little things like that I like. That's how I'd build a Raptor. That's how I've built this, or had this designed I should say. Also it's 12mm. I don't like the 18mm. I'm used to thin frames, so 12mm is perfect. The pouch is 44mm by 14mm, designed by Nick and fellow RCC shooter Keith Dighton. It's his orange Addicts pouch, small ammo one, great for 6, 7, 8mm. Yeah, it seems to be working alright, no issues with it. They seem to be popular. And they seem to work alright. Now, why have I had this frame built, you might ask? Actually, I've got 2 of them. Why bother when I actually make my own? Reason for that is when I was in Spain for the Spanish National Championships, I gave my Raptor away in a trade for a Spanish frame, and I'm shooting my Spanish frame a lot at the minute, and I'll be shooting it in Ireland in tournament. So I've not bothered. I've got no desire to build a Raptor for myself. I'll probably build one in the winter months, January maybe, ready for next year, because I'll probably will shoot one in a tournament next year. But for the time being, I just haven't got time or the desire. So I looked at the Raven. It's quite similar in shape. I knew I'd shoot it pretty much the same, so I went for that. And it's pocketable. Like the Spanish shooter isn't really pocketable. I'm really not into shooting in the cold. I think the only thing you should be doing in the cold is skiing, if I'm honest. I wouldn't normally be out here if it wasn't for this video. My bands are dropping, like I'm shooting a 17.5 to 10.5 Pink Samiki. Now, people have been concerned about small ammo dropping, light ammo and whatnot, and light band sets. Of course it's going to drop if you match your band to your ammo. I'm not shooting a heavy band set with lighter ammo. I'm not shooting a 9.5mm setup using a 7mm. I've matched the ammo to the band, so it's obviously going to drop the same as anything else. I let go of that too soon. as you can see, it works fine, and like I say, I've just come out. They're the first shots I've had today, and they'll be the last shots I've had today in this cold weather. Having said that, I've got another review to do on another frame, so I'll probably do that review and that's it. I wouldn't come out here shooting, practicing really in this cold. It's doing me no favours for Ireland, because Ireland's going to be indoors and it's going to be warm, so this practice is pretty pointless for Ireland. So most of my practice for Ireland will be done on any warmer day we get, or the day before the shoot in Ireland. But yeah, highly recommend the Green Raven. If you want a narrower Raven with 80mm tips, outer width, go for this. You've got bigger tips on it if you want to shoot heavier bands and whatnot. It's a great frame. I'm also using on it, the first time I've used it is this amber belt. I think this is the 4th time I've used it now on this frame, on the other one I've got. Now at first I didn't like it. I find it very, very fiddly to get the first wrap on, but once I've done that, it's alright. I'm not used to wrap and tuck, I'm used to clips these days. I'm getting better with it, and I will stick with it because it saves cutting all strips off. Yeah, same as anything, the more I do it, the better it will become. It holds very tight. Yeah, good. Good frame, good pouch. Not too bad a shooting, like. I'm happy with that, really, really happy. Nick Hegarty, Green Raven. Ciao for now.